Okay, so I get in my car, nothing. Press the clutch with the key in the car. Green light. You can see that turns green. Press the button, blinks yellow. Nothing. Take my keys out of my car to make it go off. Okay, it's off. Keys back in the car. Clutch. Green light. Oh, that time I wanted to start.